Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is your English language teacher, Sirda Maisha Tasneem. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we'll be doing punctuation. Well, punctuation means symbol, and there are like different types of punctuation in English grammar, like question mark, apostrophe, comma, quotation mark, then full stop, exclamation mark, etc. This punctuation basically helps us to read and write in English. So today we'll be doing two of them. One is comma, another one is quotation mark. So let's know about comma first. Well, comma is something where we have to give a pause and the duration will be less than full stop. So that means we have to stop in the middle of the reading. And let's know how do we use it in our sentence and why do we use it. We basically use comma to separate words, phrases or clauses in a sentence. Okay, suppose if you say that I have been to different places in Bangladesh, and now you want to mention where you have been to. So there might be different places. You might say like I have been to Rajshahi, I have been to Sylhet, I have been to Cox's Bazar, etc. So you have mentioned different districts here, right? So to separate these different districts from one another, you have to put a comma in the middle. Let's look at the example from the book. The first one, they're traveling to Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. So here you are using comma to separate these places from one another. Okay, so this is how and this is why we use comma. Another thing where we use comma to set off a direct quotation from the rest of the sentence. That means when you write any quotation that has been said by someone, so to separate this from the whole sentence, you use comma. This is how we use comma in a sentence. And moving to the next punctuation, that is quotation marks. What is quotation marks? Quotation mark is also known as an inverted comma, and there are like two types of quotation mark in English grammar. The first one is single quotation and the second one is double quotation. So where do we use single one and where do we use the double one? So we use double quotation where we use the like a direct speech, or you can say that has been spoken by someone, or you can say a statement. Okay, like when you write in a statement, you use double quotation there. Let's look at the example here. I have borrowed an interesting book from Smriti, said Priya. So that has been said by someone, that's why you are using double quotation here. So when you write any statement or anything that has been spoken by someone, you have to use double quotation mark. And where do we use single quotation mark? We use single quotation mark when we write any title of the film, or when you write any title of poems, books, short stories, etc. So what are the things like this? Suppose you are writing Macbeth. Macbeth is a name of a play. So when you write Macbeth, you have to use single quotation here. You're not supposed to use double quotation. Let's look at the example that we have here. My favorite play is Macbeth by William Shakespeare. So here when you're writing Macbeth, you have to use single quotation. Then have you watched the film Avatar? So that's the name of a film, right? Here you're supposed to use single quotation, and this is how double quotation is different from single quotation. So this is all from this punctuation chapter. I hope I'm clear. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.